Today we are going to create something completely new with AI videos using a different method, and I will also explain the new YouTube policy. First, look at this channel with 4.23 million subscribers. Most of its videos are getting millions of views. The question is this channel monetized? When I check it through YouTube Social Blade, it clearly shows that the channel is monetized with an estimated income of 3.6K to 58K in the last 14 days. This means if you work hard on your own channel and upload videos consistently, your channel can also get monetized, just like this one. If you want to learn how to make such videos for free, keep watching, because I will explain everything step by step, audio, video, and all details. If you are new here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, as I will keep bringing more useful videos. And remember that every part of this video is important, so don't miss anything. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT. After that, paste this prompt. Then I will give you my YouTube description. You just have to copy and paste it. When you paste the prompt, the story script will already be created. You don't need to write it yourself. If you want a 400-word story, just tell ChatGPT, "Give me a 400-word story." It will generate the story for you. It all depends on you. If you want a long story or a short one, simply tell ChatGPT how long you want it to be, and it will create it for you. After that, you have to write, "Please give me 8 image prompts with a giant oversized chicken in every scene." It will generate all the scenes for you one by one, and you can see how amazing the prompts it has created are. For creating AI images, the website you will use is Leonardo.ai. It's a very good platform for generating AI images. Open it, set the size to 16:9, and select Phoenix 1.0. After that, paste the prompt. Within a short time, the image will start generating. You need to paste each prompt one by one. Once you have pasted all the prompts, you will see that the images have been created, and they look amazing. This way, you can create AI images using 2 websites. Just copy the prompts from ChatGPT and paste them one by one into Leonardo.ai. When you see an image you like, simply download it. Leonardo.ai is one of the best AI image generators, known for creating high-quality, detailed, and visually stunning images with ease. It provides powerful tools for artists, designers, and creators, making the creative process faster and more efficient. With customizable styles, in this way, all the images will be created and you can see the results. If your credits on Leonardo.ai run out, you can also use another website called PicLumen. This is also an excellent and powerful AI image generator. I have already created many videos using this website. You can check them out on my channel. Next, we will move on to creating AI voice. For that, we will use 2 websites. The first website is lovevoice.com. It's a very good platform where you can easily create AI voices for free. All you need to do is paste your prompt into the voice recorder section. After that, click the option and you'll see many different voices available. Some are paid, but many are completely free. I personally use the free voices. Just click on Generate and your AI voice will be created instantly. The second website where you can also create free AI voices is OpenAI TTS. It's an excellent platform with very natural-sounding voices. Here's how it works. Paste your prompt, then select the voice you like. The quality of the voices is really good. After that, click on Create Speech, and your AI voice will be generated. You can then listen to it and see how amazing it sounds. For creating AI videos, I will use 3 different websites. With these websites, you can easily make AI videos on a daily basis. By using any of these 3 platforms, you can create one AI video every single day without any difficulty. The first website is Daijin.ai. This is an amazing platform for creating AI videos. I have more than 3,200 plus credits because I haven't logged in for many days. That's why I received extra credits automatically. This allows me to create a lot of videos without any problem. If you want to make more AI videos regularly, then Digin.ai is a great website for you. The biggest benefit is that even if you don't use your account daily, it still keeps adding credits automatically, just like it did in my case. Now let's create an AI video on this website. It's a really great platform. Click on Create, then go to Upload, and first upload your image. After that, paste the first image prompt and click on Generate. The video will start creating. In the same way, you can upload another image, paste its prompt, and again, click on Generate to start the video. This process takes a little time, but with it, you can easily make 2 AI videos together. The videos usually start rendering within 10 to 15 minutes. The second website for creating AI videos is Magician.ai. It's another excellent platform, and it provides you with 500 credits to get started. One of the biggest benefits of this website is that it can create videos up to 10 seconds long. Here's how it works. Open the website and click on Create. Then click on Upload and select your image. Click on the plus button, copy your prompt, and paste it. Set the duration time, for example, 7 seconds or even 10 seconds. Finally, click on Generate, and your video will start processing. Don't worry, I will show you how the videos look on all 3 websites. The last website is haloai.video. This is also a very powerful AI platform where you can easily create videos. When you create a new account, it gives you 200 free credits, which is enough to make around 8 videos. This makes it a really great option. If you purchase a package later, you'll enjoy it even more because this website allows you to create videos exactly according to your preferences. Here's how it works. Click on Image to Video, upload your image, paste your prompt, click on Generate, and the video will start creating. In the same way, you can upload another image, paste the prompt again, and click on Generate to create more videos. In this way, you can now see that AI videos have been created on all 3 websites. The results are amazing. The videos look truly impressive. Finally, I will edit the video using CapCut. CapCut is a great software for video editing. It's easy to use, free, and full of features like filters, effects, music, and transitions. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals. Here, I'll add my video, apply some effects, and my video will be fully ready. You can see how amazing it looks. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions related to the video, feel free to drop a comment. I'll reply to you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content. Next time, I'll bring another method for you. Thanks again for watching.